the DJI Tello India version Nano drone camera in black color. The Tello comes with throw and go feature that lets you fly the drone by simply tossing it into the air, making it easy to operate. It also comes with a bounce mode that helps the Tello fly up and down from your hand automatically. This 5-megapixel resolution camera does live HD transmission and records videos at 720p to yield high-quality footage. The easy video shooting mode with vision positioning system and electronic image stabilization helps you capture consistently clear images and videos. Equipped with Intel image processor, Tello shoots high-quality photos and videos. It has 2 antennas that make video transmission extra stable and a high-capacity battery that offers 13 minutes long flight time in a single charge. The Tello has a flight height of 15 meters above ground level and a flying distance of 100 meters, allowing you to get good aerial shots. This India-compatible nano drone does not require any flying license. It also comes with 8D flip feature that lets you perform aerial stunts with the drone by simply sliding on the screen for capturing good shots. Inside the box you will find aircraft propellers, propeller guards, battery, micro USB cable and propeller removal tool. The camera comes with standard brand warranty. You can avail EMI options and pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. For further information, visit the product detail page.